Windsor men coming to you. Here's a blow dart cord that we're gonna whip the hell out of each other with. And I'm going first because I lost rock.
No, I'm going first. You won. You're gonna hit me. First hit is in the leg, right?
Yeah.
Well, how do you want? Am I doing the back of the leg?
No.
Or the front of the leg?
Jay, go back over there.
Go back over here?
So
How's he gonna hit
right
me?
here, I guess?
Right here?
Yeah.
That's what I'm taking the first shot? Alright.
And we'll do the same one.
No, you got to fucking...
Harder?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no, you got to go harder than that, man.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Alright. 3. So we'll do 3 each.
Oh, no, I know. I'm going to go hard the first time. I'm not going to fucking giddy-gaddle with it.
Right here?
Yeah. Ready?
I'm not ready.
Just line it up.
Oh. That was alright. Not bad.
Well, I'm doing it again. You got me 3 times.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It stung. Oh, not so far. Lower.
Yeah, I got you.
You got my shit.
Alright, that didn't hurt. Where's the next spot we're going?
The arm.
The arm?
Yeah.
Really?
You're doing that way?
Yeah. Well, what am I going, this way or that way?
I thought this way would hurt more. Okay.
Because that's what Sam's going for, the hurt effect.
I'm starting to do the tip. So
Oh.
that hurt, eh?
Oh, yeah. That got me red right away. Look at that. My turn.
Yeah. So
You gotta turn it. Is he in camera shot?
Yep.
I'm gonna try to get the tip too again.
Oh, that one hurt. And it went red. I can't make out which one is which. They both hurt.
That hurt?
Yeah.
Alright.
I got 2 lines already.
Yeah, you can see how red mine's going on. Look at the mark.
I got 2 red lines.
Coming down.
Oh, you can see Sam's good.
Alright. Where are we going next?
I don't know. Stomach?
The stomach?
Yeah.
Really?
We'll try the stomach.
You want to hit the stomach?
Try.
That's gonna hurt. I'm nervous about that one.
We're
I
going
am.
on the spots. What are we going to do?
Oh, the stomach it is, I guess.
Ready?
No.
3, 2. You can't put your hand on.
Well, I'm not ready for this one. I don't know. I want to do the stomach, man. This is gonna fucking hurt.
3, 2, 1.
Wait.
We're weird.
Let's get a minute here. Hey. I know. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous on this one. I ain't gonna lie.
First.
This one's gonna hurt. I know it is. Hey,
Come on. Let's
I just
go.
make cuts actually. Like, look.
Oh, come on. It's only going to
Let's go. Come
It's
on.
only gonna make you red. Oh, here we go.
I'm ready.
If you hit me anywhere else other than the... Oh, motherfucker! Oh, motherfucker!
Language.
Here.
Oh, I'm snake bite, man. That hurts. That definitely hurts.
Don't miss.
I'm gonna admit that. I'm not gonna miss, ready? Trust me, I'm not gonna freaking miss.
Oh, don't tell me now.
Ready?
Did it hurt a lot?
Yeah, it hurt a lot. It hurt a lot. Oh, my God. Keep your hand out like I did.
Yeah,
Keep your hand
okay.
out. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm not ready, but hey. No, don't go too low.
Yeah. Hey, ready?
Oh, that hurt. Son of a...
No.
Jay, stay in the frame.
Don't swear. Don't swear.
Look at that. It's red.
Show them more on the camera.
No lines.
Show them more on the camera.
That's your line, Jay.
Huh? Oh, my.
Oh, yours right there.
Yours looks like nothing compared to what he got.
Because I got him more in the front, he got me more at the side.
His aim's better. That's why. Well, what are we doing? The last one.
Maybe the last one. At least 2 more. Back and
2
like
more?
love handle.
2 more.
Oh, not the love handle. No way. Right here.
Oh, what are we doing in the back? So it's either like a whip? Is that like a... Because I gotta watch my back.
The bottom of the
You
back.
can do lower back.
Yeah, you do the lower back.
Oh, shit.
That's gonna hurt too. This one, I can
Alright,
still
I'll give
feel
it
this
to you.
one.
I'm gonna give it to you. Go ahead.
Put your back facing me.
Like that, yeah. Ready?
Oh! Yeah.
I heard that.
Stay
Yeah.
in the frame.
Yeah. I'm staying in the frame. How you guys doing?
What am I doing?
Turn that way to Joe. Yeah.
Oh man.
Making memories. Ready? Put it up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's for sure.
Yeah, that is for sure.
Let's see.
I don't know the rest for that. I don't know. I can't see
Ooh, wow.
nothing.
Instant.
Hey, remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe.
Please.
Like, share, and subscribe for more content from Windsor Man.
Windsor Man.
Have a great night.
Click that bell.
Click that bell for notifications.